Good morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm still working in my mini little journal. I have got 2 more pages, so I'm really excited to be done with this and to do a complete flip through. I started it almost 2 years ago, 4/23, so I'll be really happy to finish this, but this is what I've got so far for this one. And I do have some words that I'm going to add, but I did have to cut off the smoke, you know, like the steam rising, so I'm debating if I want to draw it or not, because I am notorious for messing up when I draw stuff. So, but first I want to finish this, and then I'm going to put it in the book. I thought it might be easier to actually work on it this way. I don't know why I didn't think of that before all the other ones that I did. So I'm going to get my glue paper out and glue on my pages, or my papers. I'm not inking around the edges this time. I did ink around the edges of the stickers though. So let's get this bottom piece on. Okay. Get that on properly. Everything's going on top of these, so I don't need to worry about pulling it up later, hopefully, unless I change my mind. I don't think so, though. I like these on the outsides. And they don't have flat bottoms, so I think it'll be fine. What are you guys up to today? Have you done your taxes yet? We don't even have all our tax information that we need yet, so I don't know when we'll be doing ours. So that's going to be like that. The coffee cup's going on the bottom. Oops, it's stuck to the glue on my finger. Oh my goodness. So this is going to, hopefully you are seeing this. Yep. This is going to go here, just like that. And the teapot is going to go up on the top. And then I'm going to put my words, and then I'll see if I actually want to draw. I don't think I'm going to draw it, because I just don't think I can do it. It's going to mess up. So I'm just going to mess it up. It's the little things that make life big, and that is so true, especially with warm, yummy cups of tea in the winter. Alright, so we'll put, it's the little things that make life big. Of course I put it on crooked. Of course. And keep life simple is going to go right down here. Or maybe I should put it here. Nah, put it right here. And now, of course, I feel like this is too empty. I think I need to cut this off. It's been put on a little crooked. And this side too, I guess. Alright, that's going to go like that. And so far I'm liking it. I'm wondering though, what if I don't think I can take this off now. Maybe. Can I? Just move it up a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't rip the paper underneath. I think if I maybe move it up a little bit, that will take up some of the space that I'm not liking up here. Like this. Maybe that would work better. And then, what if I put, can I take that off and put it over here? No, it's too small. I guess I'll go ahead and keep it here. Keep life simple, right there. I don't think I'm going to add anything else to this. I think if I do, I'll just keep messing it up. So let's glue it down. And then I just have one last one which I'll probably do off camera, and just show you in the flip through, because I'm guessing you might be sick of seeing my mini journal with me videos right about now. If you have anything you would like to see me create on, and I'm capable of doing it, let me know and I'll just try my best to do it. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and that's it. One more page. I gotta make a nice one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.